Hello, my friends. Welcome to Talk to Me Tuesday for Tuesday, February 21st, 2023. This is Jennifer. I'm going to start this video with a little visit to last week. I got a package from Jeannie, just like all the other Talk to Me Tuesdayers did, and I want to show that little clip now. Hey guys, in my last video, I mentioned that I had a package coming from Jeannie, but I didn't know what it was, and I just got my package from Jeannie, so I'm just going to open it now and show you guys what's in it. So here we go. Stickers all over the box. Everything's wrapped. Let's see what we got. Oh my god. Guys, this is amazing. It is a quilting boa. How phenomenal is this? So you wear this, and it's got all kinds of goodies in it. I don't even know what all. There's a list, which I dropped. Here we go. Safety pins, folding scissors, purple thing, straight pin, screen cloth, oil bottle, precise drops, glue sticks, cleaning brushes, iron cleaner, fuzzy pin, razor. Jeannie, and that's just the first thing out of the box. Also, this, that's amazing. It's a little pin. Okay, so I'm a little bit overwhelmed. How cute is this? So we got that, and we got this one is for Sarah, so I'm going to put that one aside. So Sarah, if you're watching, we got to get together because Jeannie sent something for you. I know who these are for. Okay, I just got a little. Jeannie sent some of her Red Dragon in plays. Okay, this is one of my son's favorite games. He plays it all the time. He's gonna be over the moon. Thank you, Jeannie. Oh my god, these are amazing. So Red Dragon Inn is a game that you play where the whole point is to get your character gets drunk, and I guess whoever passes out first loses. So I haven't played it, but I've watched it played many times, and I know my son loves it. There's a lot of laughing when the kids play it, and my husband plays it too, so he's gonna love these. Jeannie. Jeannie, this is Jeannie's. That's her her pattern label. How cool is that? I'm sure this probably goes in here and it might have fallen out. So we'll put that back in there. And then we got, it says extra Zelda, extra Stranger Things. Jeannie, you're so generous. You're so kind. You're so thoughtful. I can tell you had a blast making these. I'm astonished by how cool this is. It's got so many thoughtful, useful things on here. Thank you so much. This was my Valentine's gift, and it made my day. So Jeannie, thank you so much. I've already used my boa. You can see it's hanging right over there, so it's in a nice convenient spot. Just again, I know I was gushing in the clip, but thank you. I wanted to give you guys a better glimpse of what she sent for my son. Jeannie makes these amazing trays for the Red Dragon Inn game, and she sent these for my kiddo. So she decorates these herself. I love these so much. They're so fun. Check out the little eyeballs. And this one is great too. So this game uses like a coin. And for Christmas, my husband gave my son like really nice coins for the game instead of like the little like cardboard ones it comes with. So he's super excited about this. And also these are they're little beverages, and I love these because these are a little bit creepy. I had to borrow those back to show you guys, and my son is really enthusiastic about them. So Jeannie, thank you again. He sent 2 extra boas, and I gave one to Dominique because Dominique was one of the people who sent stuff to Jeannie after we all went to Houston, and Jeannie unfortunately had to cancel her trip. So I gave her the Legend of Zelda boa, and I have a Stranger Things boa. So I'm thinking on this one, I want to do what I did with our extra Talk to Me Tuesday t-shirt. So you guys, if you want this awesome Stranger Things boa, let me know. I will ship this anywhere. Jeannie made it. I'll mail it to you. I'm also going to put Jeannie's tutorial if you want to make your own. She made an awesome tutorial and pattern. This is her original design. And I'm going to put that, I'm pointing like this because I'm going to put it in the description on YouTube and on WordPress. I'll put the video below my video so you guys can watch it if you want. So if you want this extra Stranger Things boa with all the goodies that Jeannie included, make sure you comment. And this is open to anyone. This is not sponsored or anything. This is just me sending you a thing that Jeannie made. So if you want this awesome thing, as a little gift for yourself, make sure you comment and let me know. I did do some sewing this weekend. I have stitched all of the blocks for my quilt. As you can see, these are not squared up. They're not even all pressed, but they are all sewn. All of that's done, and I did get the oranges trimmed up. So these are all trimmed up. I'm very excited. I love these so much, guys. They're just lots of my scraps. Just so good. I did completely overdo it on Saturday. Where I am in my recovery, I can sew for about an hour and then I need to rest for about an hour. And I did that off and on all day Saturday until I got really close to having all of my seams done. And then I sewed for almost 2 hours and I could barely walk on Sunday. So I need to not do that again. I need to rest more. But I'll be honest with you guys, Saturday was hard for me. It would have been a Linus day and obviously I didn't go, and I haven't mentioned it since I told you guys about that, but it's still something I'm working through. It's still something I feel a lot of things about. So Saturday was just hard. So I just sewed and sewed and sewed and sewed. I did have to go to Stash to finish my block. So these are the fabrics I pulled strips from to finish the blocks. And I'm also going to cut my cornerstones out of these. The sashing is going to be 3 inches, so 3.5 inches unfinished. I'm going to cut everything on my AccuQuilt. I could do most of that sitting down. So I should be able to do some prep work this week for once I'm able to really stand and work again. So I'll get those done. And then for the back, I'm going to use something I've been collecting for years, which are white fabrics. I'm not even sure how to show you guys these white fabrics with rainbow prints. I have, as you can see, a lot of these. I've been collecting them. Like every time I go to a quilt show or a quilt store, I tend to pick one up. And most of these are fat quarters. There are some long quarter yards, some with the fabric quarter yards. So I'm basically, once I have my top ready to go, I'm going to piece a back out of all of this fabric. So if I need it, I also have a couple of yards of a white with a really fine rainbow polka dot, but I didn't want to use a whole chunk of fabric if I don't have to. So I'm going to start with this and see where that takes me. I don't have red that I want for my sashing. My red stash leans really heavily to brick red, and I don't know why. It's just that's what I have. I did find this strip. This is an Aunt Grace. This is probably an old fabric. I don't want this fabric necessarily, but I want this red. I love this like cherry bright red. I don't want a brick red. I want a bright red. So I'm using this for my inspiration, and I'm probably going to buy the red sashing just because I don't have 4 yards of anything that would work. And the sashing is the one thing that I want to not be scrappy. I thought about making it scrappy. I don't have enough. So I thought, you know what? Everything else is so scrappy. I think the red will be the one thing that I get that won't be scrappy. And I don't want the print to be quite so bold. I want it to be more red. When I saw it, I was like, that's the red. So this little scrap will be my inspiration. And when I'm out and about next time, near a local quilt store, I'm going to take this with me and see what I can find. That is going to be it for me. I hope you guys have a really wonderful week. I hope you have a crafty week. I would love to see your videos. I've been watching all of them much faster than I normally do, and it's been so good for my heart to see what you guys are up to. I like to see what you're quilting, what your new projects are. I love to see what's on your design wall. I'm pointing there. My design wall's over there. It's empty. There's nothing on it. But there will be soon. As soon as all of these are squared up, those will be on the design wall. So anyway, guys, I love you. Have a good week. Be sure and post a video or comment on this video so we can chat. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.